Hello everybody and welcome. My name is Eric and today I'm gonna be doing a water review for the Azzurro Mare AM330. I got it right here. Got the engine warming up at the moment. It's a nice little boat. Now if you guys are interested in a more detailed video, me unboxing and putting it together, you know, air pressure and all that, I'm gonna put a link somewhere in the screen and also in the description below if you guys want to watch it. I'll go in full details with it. Today is just going to be action video, me being in the water, showing you guys what it's all about. Let me give you a better angle. There we go. You guys can see that. Beautiful lake, Lake Gentry. And let me go and put it back to normal. There we go. So now basically I'm gonna jump in the water, show you guys what it's all about, how it moves. I got my drone with me today. You guys can see it from the air. It's gonna be fun. So it's coming up next. All right, so right now I'm gonna turn around, get myself out of this place. Get myself that. Here we go. You guys can see everything. Moving along just nicely. I got you guys on the wide angle so you guys can see more. See a lot more details. Got a new camera this time. A better camera than the one that I had. Alright, so I'm gonna head to the lake. Gonna head over there and get to it. I'm gonna see if I can try to get into plane. I should be able to just fine with this. It's a well-built boat. Plenty of space. Alright, let's get busy. Okay everybody, I'm about to head out of the no wake zone. I'm gonna start giving it full throttle. I got you guys on the first person view. Let's hit it. Very quickly. Yep. Woo! All right. Woo! Yep, my head's gonna fall. Not bad, huh? Not too shabby. Yeah. Woo! This is very nice. And the lake is so calm today. Look. It's like so calm. Very nice. Beautiful, beautiful today. What a beautiful day to be outside, man. I'm glad this boat ramp is open. The whole quarantine thing had me crazy. Alright, so it's looking nicely as it is, you know, with the beautiful weather, and it gets into plane very, very quickly. Let me adjust the camera a little bit. Sorry, guys. There we go. It gets into plane very nicely, very quickly. It's very stable. It's supposed to have 2 seats, but I only brought one because I want to use my beach chair. I'll show you guys what that looks like. You can put a beach chair here and just relax and fish and have a good time. I myself don't fish a lot, but I'm more into the adventuring part, you know, going outside and doing stuff. I do enjoy that quite a bit. So let me go ahead and get my drone out, have it follow me. You guys can see it from the air, you know, different perspective and all that stuff. So it's a good point of view. So let me get right to that. guys, so I'm right here relaxing, sitting on my beach chair, having a good time. The drone behaved very well today. Last time I came out, my drone was acting up. That's a different story, obviously. But today it behaved very well. It followed me properly. I'm sure you guys saw the footage. It came out pretty good. The drone did a pretty good job. So I'm glad with that. Anyway, so I'm here chilling. I'm gonna move the chair out of the way and show you guys some of the real estate, you know, while you're in the boat, because it gives you a different perspective. It does. And anyway, let me get right to that. Okay, everybody, here I am. I'm at the edge of the boat. The very edge. Show you guys the real estate. I got the chair right there. Let me show you guys normal angle. That's what it looks like normally. Okay? Plenty of space for like 3 or 4 people. You know, without the chairs, you can just sit on the sides. This is a 6 horsepower Tohatsu 6 horsepower outboard, and as you guys can see, it moves very well. I put a special prop on it, a 7.8 by 7 prop on it, and it pushes boats like these like it was a joke. No problem. All right, guys, so this will conclude this video. This is the review for the Azzurro Mare AM330 11-footer. As you guys can see, as you guys saw, it moves flawlessly on the water, tackling the wakes like it was nothing. I mean, there was barely any wake here, but it was just eating the water out nice. So it's a very nice, well-built boat. It's one of their high ends from Saturn, and so if you guys are looking for a high-end inflatable boat, all the place to look at. So thank you guys for watching. Hope you guys see you in the next one. Later.